Hey everyone, welcome to another HOWTECH video tutorial. In this video we'll be showing you how to block pop-up ads on Android. Pop-up ads are annoying. They come and open up new tabs and redirect you to sites that you don't want to be redirected to. By default, Chrome blocks pop-up ads, but sometimes this setting gets changed. This video will show you how to block pop-up ads and how to disable the annoying message that websites use to send you notifications. Let's start by disabling pop-ups. Open the Google Chrome app, tap the icon in the top right, tap Settings, scroll down and tap Site Settings, scroll down and hit Pop-ups. If pop-ups are not disabled, go ahead and tap the toggle switch so that it is grayed out. To disable notifications, hit the back button, then tap Notifications. Tap the toggle switch to disable websites from sending pop-ups that ask to send you notifications. This is enabled by default. And that's it. What other ways do websites annoy you? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.